Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Motorola Moto E22. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. When you're ready, you need to download this free app from this developer on both devices and open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow in Send Anywhere app. Then do the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola smartphone if it's not already on, and Receive on Motorola Moto E22 over here. Then you can finally click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to choose all of your files that you wish to send. Then when you're ready, choose Send next to selected. This way you will choose them and transfer them later on. It will take a lot of time to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe this one. Choose Send and click on Got It. Now on Motorola Moto E22, tap on the best option for you. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window, and from here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on E22 next to Input key. Then choosing while using the app or only this time in this pop-up, and point our device's camera at this QR code. But we can always go back, type in this key over here instead, and connect by clicking Receive button. And as you can see, after a while my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!